Hey, what are you doing? Hey, TV. Hey, what's up?
Shut up, baby.
What is that stuff? Huh? Weird, huh? Yeah. Come here. What's the matter? You don't like grass? Lucy, what are you doing?
Hey, what are you looking at? Oh, face plant. Hey.
Lucy's so dead tired.
She's probably gonna wind up in the undercarriage of the crib.
Yeah.
Stroller.
We're in the hospital.